Hi YouTube, I hope you're having a great start to your week and are excited to check out this new addition to my Palm collection as my kitty is ready to. The Altec Lansing InMotion mobile audio system, the IMT1, which I got new in box wrapped on eBay for $26. As you can see from the front of the box, it's compatible with the Palm Life Drive Treo 650, Treo 700p, Tungsten T5, and Tungsten E2. This is a mobile audio system, and there's also a version, as I recall, for the iPod, but of course I have a Palm collection. I've been listening to internet radio, so I got the Palm version. Now I can turn my Treo from a pocket internet radio to an internet radio based sound system. I also had heard pretty positive reviews from, I think, Recomserve, maybe Dmitry Nastich Usov or somebody else who had tested this out and they were impressed with the audio, so I thought I might as well go for it. I've already taken the wrapping off to make this a bit faster, but I'll go ahead and show you what's inside. Actually, before that, let's turn the box a little bit and take a look at the specifications. Okay, so hopefully we all can see that. And I won't put my hand into the camera lens. This is the IMT1. It is an advanced Class D amplifier. It has over 24 hours battery life, running on 4 AA batteries, but as we'll see, it also comes with an AC adapter, which I pleasantly found inside the case. It has max bass technology for good quality bass without having a second subwoofer. I don't really know that much about speakers. I guess, a larger, lower pitched speaker, part of a speaker system. There's a built-in dock so you can do hot syncing over USB 2.0, and so you can recharge your Palm device, which is great. Compact design that will close for mobility. There's the dock flips open and closes easily. It weighs 24 ounces or about 1.5 pounds. It's quite small, and it has an input jack plus a audio male-to-male audio cable, so you could plug in other audio devices like an MP3 player, an iPod indeed, or CD and DVD players. Anyway, so I'll go ahead. I already took the wrapping off to make this faster. Let me take this. It's really an odd box. You first pull off this skin, I guess, this outer casing, and then you get the main InMotion case. To the top of it says inside, outside, anywhere, everywhere. It seems like it's pretty rugged and could survive outdoor conditions. And then this thing will flip open like that, and then there's some foam covering the device itself, and then the manual and different adapter and different cables inside of here, like let's see. Yeah, so I've already tested out the AC adapter, and you can see the attachment to use that on US 120 volt jacks. And then we get a manual and an Audible subscription. Woohoo! Everyone wants their Audible subscription. There's your audio male-to-male cable, and then there's a USB cable in here. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get the adapter out, pull that out real gently, plug that in, and get started. I've already tested the audio, and we'll see what you think. I mean, you'll be able to hear it better on this mirrorless camera that I'm using to record the video compared with my cell phone. There's, I think, a much better microphone. But anyway, from my own hearing, I thought this was substantially better than I expected. Hopefully my cat doesn't jump up on the desk to be in the video. Okay, so I'm just going to get this taken out. I realize something else I'll have to get out. Yeah, let's take the InMotion thing out of the styrofoam. Okay, yeah. And I'll pull that out. Okay, So there's our that's the back of the InMotion in the front. If you can see this silver button, as my cat enjoys, we'll flip up the dock. We'll flip up the cover to expose the universal dock. You can see these on later Palm devices, Palm OS devices. There's the on switch, and there's an LED behind that. Flipping from speakers to phone, or speakers to phone with this button here, and you see the setting up there on that LED. Hot sync, and then adjust volume on this itself. The speaker is right in the front. On BOM, you can see it's IMT1. And if you push these out, the batteries will go in there. Mangol, it's not a video about you. It's a video about this thing, but glad you're in it. I forgot to mention it's all covered in this kind of rubber, so it hopefully I don't think that'll degrade or anything. I guess that does sort of ruggedize it and maybe make it relatively weatherproof. So down here we have a microphone jack, a subwoofer out jack. Yeah, subwoofer out. USB B, I think, and there's a USB B to A cable for hot sync. Auxiliary jack, so you can plug in another device, and then the power adapter. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the power adapter out and get this plugged in. I have my Treo already connected to the internet over Bluetooth, so we can use that as an internet radio. I'll test a few different stations with this. Okay, so I got that plugged in next to us. Yeah, I probably should try the TX at some point, although it's oddly a little harder to get Wi-Fi from downstairs up here. Okay. You can see the LEDs just came on. Nice blue LEDs in both. I'll flip that up. Get the adapter around there. And get the Treo in. Maybe let my cat out so she doesn't make a noise. Yep, there we go. That's plugged in. You can see that's charging. Here you go, Mangol. And I'll go ahead and zoom in and then record. Oh, okay, that's having a little trouble. There we go. There we go, that should be good. Okay. Okay, and we should already be able to hear sound when I get this turned on. Yeah, so that sound is from the speakers. If I flip it back here, it's from the phone speaker. And I'll flip back, pressing that 0-0 switch. The sound should switch to the sound system from the phone speaker. Okay, not that. I want P tunes, and let's try some stations. Maybe I'll try WDNA. Or I could try Dominicana FM. I've been listening to some Dominican radio stations, public radio stations, as well as WRTU, which is the Radio de Universidad de Puerto Rico. I've listened to, NPR from Puerto Rico, as well as WHER HD4, a lot of my favorite stations at the bottom here. Now let's see how that sounds. Let's also turn this a bit. Yes, you should be able to see the screen a bit better. There we go. Okay, so there's Dominicana FM. Let's try WHER HD4 DC radio. All over a Bluetooth connection. Let's go up and listen to WDNA Jazz from Miami.
Streaming jazz on WDNA is brought to you to you by the Downs Law Group in Coconut Grove, Florida. Since 1990, concentrating in catastrophic injuries, sophisticated commercial litigation, class actions,
I'm
and
turning the
disputes.
volume up a bit.
Referrals welcome at downslawgroup.com.
This might be Fusion Latina, I think. I think Angel Ruben is the host. I think that audio is pretty good.
All right, that was Gran Combo. No Este Pena, from an album called Latin Power with Pellín Rodriguez and Andy Montañez. Very nice recording from the 60s. No Este Pena. And prior to that, we listened to Manzanillo by Nu Jíbaro. Paciencia is the name of the CD. Yeah, Nu Jíbaro is pretty hip, man. Is it Nu Jíbaro or Nu Guajiro? I mean...
Okay, and with that, I hope you enjoyed some of the audio on this Altec Lansing InMotion sound system for the Palm. I think this will make a nice internet radio by my computer here. Thanks everyone for watching, and let me know if you have any comments or questions down below. Like and subscribe as always.